In today's video, I'll guide you on how to disable Xbox game bar to increase FPS on Windows computer, either Windows 11 or Windows 10. This video will give you two steps. The first step is very simple, but the second step is the most easiest way. So let's dive in. First, go to this button here, right click on it, then go to settings. Once you click on settings, then go ahead and click on apps. Once you click on apps, click on installed apps. So once you click on install app, now you need to locate the Xbox game bar on your device if you've installed it. If you have not installed it, then you may skip this part. But if you install this, let's assume that this is the Xbox game bar option on my device. So come to this side, click on these three dots, click on advanced option. Once you click on advanced option, then scroll down to this space, background apps permission, expand this button, then click on never. Once you click on never, then you may scroll down again and tap on this terminate immediately. This is the first step you need to do. Now that I've completed the first step, now let's come back to this side and complete the second step, which is the most easiest way. As I've mentioned, click on this gaming button. Once you click on the gaming button, then go ahead and click on this button that says game bar. Click on it to expand it. Once you click on it, then locate this button that says allow your controller to open the game bar. Then click on this button to turn it off. Then you are good to go. So in that regard, you've been able to disable Xbox game bar to be able to increase FPS on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.